Transforming your hanging baskets into lush, vibrant displays is easier than you think, and that's possible with the magic of cuttings. So today we will discuss few plants that can be very easily propagated by cuttings and are ideal for hanging baskets. Let's check out the list. The first plant from the list, which is commonly found in almost every house, is money plant or pothos. They come in many varieties like neon pothos, marble pothos, green color, and variegated one. They love partial shade and lots of moisture in soil to thrive. You can grow them from cuttings very easily in soil as well as in water. I have detailed video on both the topics. It's a very good air purifier plant and it just needs medium indirect sunlight to thrive. So ideal plant to be grown indoors. I have a separate video in which I have shared ideas to decorate home with indoor plants. You can check it to get few creative ways to grow and decorate your money plant inside home. Next plant from the list is Zebrina or Tradescantia, one of the gorgeous leafy plant for hanging baskets that can be easily grown by very small cuttings also. They can be grown in full sunlight as well as in partial shade. Just snip off its stem with at least two leaves and insert the cutting into moist soil in hanging basket. You can grow multiple small cuttings in a single pot to get a bushy and dense look when they grow big. Water them every day to get lush, shiny leaves. I have a separate video on this plant. Please check it for detailed information. Next plant is turtle vine, also called as Bolivian Jew or creeping inch plant. It has gorgeous dark green and red leaves and it makes a very good hanging basket plant. You can grow them in full sunlight as well as in partial shade, and it can be grown very easily by its stem cuttings. In fact, if you just throw its cuttings anywhere in the garden, it will just cover the entire area within few weeks. Next plant from the list is turtle vine with green leaves. They thrive in full sunlight and can be grown in partial shade as well. They look stunning in hanging baskets. They need almost no care at all, and same like turtle vine, if you will throw its cutting, it will cover the entire space in few weeks itself. They go dormant during winters and its leaves and stems will turn into yellow and brown color, but once the summers start, they'll start growing again and they thrive in summers and monsoon. Last plant from the list is rockweed plant. It has beautiful fluorescent green color leaves. They grow well in full sunlight and partial shade both, and they thrive during monsoon and summers both. They love lots and lots of moisture in soil, so they thrive profusely during monsoon, and they can be easily grown from stem cuttings. Just take the cutting and insert it into moist soil and they are good. They look stunning in hanging baskets. Very easy to grow plant from cutting as well as it requires almost zero maintenance. I hope you found today's video helpful. You can check detailed video on each plant discussed today. I have shared the link in the description box. So get a cutting of these plants and create a green oasis in your home garden. That's all for today, guys. I'll come up soon with one more interesting video. See you and happy gardening.